Okay, today I'm going to show you how to clean the whole sink area. So the sink, the faucet, and the countertop as well. This is a pretty dirty one. We'll use a couple different products. This is a Scrubbing Bubbles multi-surface bathroom cleaner. You can use anything kind of like this, just kind of a multi-surface surface cleaner. And this is important, kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. So typically what you'll want to do is, like on a sink like this, you'll want to kind of get, like there's hair and stuff on this one, so we'll go ahead and kind of wipe all that off. And just get that cleaned up and out of the way, okay? It's always important to, especially when you're using some of these chemicals, to have these gloves on, just to make sure you don't want to get it on your hands or anything like that. So just kind of have these gloves on. All right, so we've kind of cleaned the area. And now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and use this multi-surface cleaner. So I'll just kind of splash it around here. Okay. And then you can just use these paper towels. Paper towels are cheap, but obviously the more you use, the more you have to replace them. So just keep that in mind to not go through them like crazy. But you want to have this countertop really shine as well. Okay, so it's not going to stick out like a stainless steel will. Like a stainless steel sink or anything like that, but you can still have it look good and clean and bring out a little bit of shine on it. Okay, so you'll go around, typically on stuff like this, where it's in the corners, we'll have a little tool where we'll kind of scrape that stuff out, and I'll show that in a different video. But you want to make sure you go around these handles, okay, and get all the gunk out of the way there. Go up under, like if it's a sink like this, kind of go up under and clean it, okay? And then get this sink. So this sink, again, like I mentioned, it's not gonna pop quite like a stainless steel one will, but you can get it looking really nice and shiny. And so you'll just want to take extra little effort on that to make sure that everything is looking good. And so you can see that it took me just a couple minutes to do that, and you've got a nice clean sink right there.